Om Namaha Shivaya. See, it's a huge size Kubera conch ever we got from the Indian Ocean. Extremely huge size, bright color. It is impossible collection. It is just only one piece in the world. Kubera conch. There will be some tiny holes here due to large size. And it's a golden Kubera conch. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. There will be small holes on that one. By having this conch with you, you will get extreme blessings of Lord KUBERA. Extreme blessings of Lord KUBERA. And you will get very good wealth. Having this conch with you, you will get very good wealth. All our rare collection, very unique collections. It's a very rare, unique collections. A small size. Bigger size, impossible collection. Just one piece in the world. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah